How to use WhatsApp offline. Well, WhatsApp, by design, requires an active internet connection to send and receive messages, calls, and other data. It is not possible to use the app offline in the traditional sense, meaning you can't send or receive messages without an internet connection. However, what you can do is you can appear offline to others or use certain features while offline. For example, if you want to use it without internet connection, you can toggle off your Wi-Fi and you'll still be able to view your text messages. However, you won't be able to send it. If you want to use it offline, you can open up WhatsApp and head over to three dots and head into settings. Once under settings here, you can see privacy option, head into it, and you can see last seen and online option. You can set it who can see my last seen, that is who can see your activity status here down below, as you can see when I'm online. If you want your last seen to be hidden, you can set it to nobody. If you want your online status to be hidden, you can set it to same as last seen. So this is how you can use WhatsApp offline. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.